Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center, and this week's card is the World, which it's about the cosmic weave. The world comes when cycles reach completion and when we finally see how all the threads have woven together. I remember back during the beginning of the pandemic, things were really all over the place. And it took a little while for me to realize how everything was weaving together. And suddenly one day it just clicked. And I realized, oh, this is what's happening now. This is how we move forward. It was all about the weaving together of the different threads. And that's what the world invites us to. It invites us to unity, wholeness, and a joyful completion. And this week I picked a couple of different symbols that will help us with this, that you can think about. The first is the world tree, which has our roots planted firmly in the soil and our branches reaching into the sky. It's about above and below, inner and outer, self and cosmos. And it begs the question, what are you bringing to completion or joyful celebration this week? And if you can't see that clearly, then we have the eagle, who soars above and has the clarity to show us how the threads weave, what the threads are. That's the help of the eagle. But then we also need some softness, some gentleness, and some grace, because not all completions are big and exciting. Many are just a gentle awareness that the cycle is done. And that's the deer. It reminds us to walk softly and in harmony. Then there's the butterfly and the rainbow circle. Both of those bring a sense of joyfulness, especially with a butterfly. And then the rainbow has us with all the different things that come together. It's a beautiful cosmic weave of joy and celebration. So let's do a little practice on this, all right? Close your eyes if you can and take a nice deep breath in. And relax on the out. In again. And out. Now imagine yourself standing in front of a luminous world tree. An eagle soars above to give you clarity. The deer stands beside you to remind you of the gentleness. The butterfly gently, happily flutters. And see the golden lights of the weave, the threads, breathe them into your heart. When you breathe out, release them back into the weave. Keep breathing them in and out, and say silently to yourself, I am the thread, I am the tapestry, I am the world. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And this is the gift of the world: unity, completion, and joyful celebration. And I'll leave you with a question. Where do you feel a completion and celebration this week? Put it in the comments below or say it to your heart. And if this touched you, please like, share, subscribe, click the little bell. All right? Just saying thank you and namaste.